We have reached the 46th day of hearing. Welcome you all again this morning. I'd like to also make special mention of the service provider who is doing a great service to this inquiry, Spider Tech. Thank you for the continued service. Our technical team, they are doing a tremendous job in getting us through in a lot of our work. We have 3 agenda items this morning to deal with. And I know we have been busy throughout the week. And I hope that as we go through this morning, we will deal with all those issues that is before us this morning. So without further ado, before I take you through, Council, can you please take us through this morning? Thank you.
Good morning, Commissioner.
Good morning.
May it please this Commission. Commissioner, there are 3 agenda items, all similar in nature. They relate to leave applications for parties seeking to be joined as interested persons for purposes of participating in this inquiry. Now, Commissioner, on the last occasion, your Commissioner will recall that there was only one application that had been filed, and that was listed last week, Thursday. That is agenda item 1, that's leave application number 6, and it was listed for hearing for this morning. Now, Commissioner, since that time, 2 further applications that you will note have been listed for mention this morning. Commissioner, those are listed at items 2 and 3.
Yes.
So for purpose of what we intend to do this morning, having discussed with the representatives of the 3 parties seeking to be joined, we essentially will be asking for those applications to be fixed for hearing next week, Thursday, the 13th of October, 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. And what I will do, Commissioner, is basically call each application up individually.
Yes.
So then the representatives can formally enter their appearance and also confirm their availability for purposes of that hearing that we propose should occur on the 13th of October, 2022 at 10 a.m. Now, Commissioner, the other reason is also your Commissioner will recall the Prime Minister is also scheduled to appear on the 13th of October.
Yes.
Pursuant to his summons, he was away on duty travel for various overseas engagements.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Commissioner, the terms of reference were specifically amended to deal with historical land dealings. So if I can draw your Commissioner's attention to 1 quadruple D of the amended terms of reference relating to the question of what are the historical land dealings from the time of acquisition of the customary land up to the Motukea Wharf project. So that was an amendment specifically made by the Prime Minister to which this inquiry is directed to address. So it's for that reason, Commissioner, that we will be proposing to adjourn all those applications for hearing so that not only are they dealt with together, they also dealt with, hopefully with the presence of the Prime Minister in attendance, also scheduled for the 13th, Commissioner.
Yes.
So, Commissioner, with that, if I can now address agenda item number 1 and call leave application number 6 by Nenehi Laurina ILG,
Yes.
Tatana Village, who is represented by Mr. No Kagoa Raigo. If he could enter his appearance for his ILG.
Thank you. Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Commissioner. For the record, my name is No Raigo. I'm the chairman of Nene Lawina Incorporated Land Group,
Can
Tatana
you,
Village.
can you speak up a bit? Can you speak up?
Thank you. My name is No Raigo.
Yes,
I am the chairman of Nene Lawina Incorporated Land Group,
yes.
Tatana Village. I am the applicant who is interested to join this commission for inquiry. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Commissioner, just for purposes of record, we formally apply for leave application number 6 to be adjourned for
Yes.
hearing on Thursday, 13th October, 2022 at 10 a.m. And this is by consent.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Commissioner. I have no objection on that. I agree with the Council assisting the Commissioner for Inquiry. Thank you.
Thank you. In light of the reasons that is given, and in consideration to that, the Commission directs that leave application number 6 by Mr. No Gaigo, dated 6 September 2022, is now further adjourned to Thursday, the 13th of October 2022 at 10 a.m., not for mention but for hearing. Dated the 6th day of October 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commission, please, if Mr. Geiger could be excused, the Commissioner.
Yes, thank you for your presence this morning. You can now be excused from the bar stand. Thank you. Yes.
Commissioner, the next matter is item number 2, described as leave application number 7 by the Araira Larabada Community, Tatana Arara Village. Now, Commissioner, the applicant is represented by Mr. John Goava of Sanel Lawyers, and the application was filed on or about the 30th of September 2022. Now, Commissioner, I've conferred with my friend Mr. Guava. He also is unavailable. He's attending to matters in the National Court.
Yes.
But for reasons that I had submitted earlier, Commissioner, we have by consent agreed to also have this application listed for mention on the 13th of October 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. I'm not sure if a representative of the applicant will attend or to appear this morning. Perhaps I can invite someone to just to enter
Thank
the
you.
appearance for the record.
Good morning, Chairman and Commissioner.
Good
For
morning.
the record, my name is No, N-O-U. Surname is Momoru, M-O-M-O-R-U. spokesperson for Araira Laurabara community of Tatana village. Our lawyer has been in consultation with a state lawyer, which we agree for the adjournment. Thank you, Commissioner.
So, Commissioner, that is the situation. So if you could ask for directions to be issued to that end.
Thank you, Council, and thank you for your presence this morning. In line with application number 6, the reasons are quite clear, and therefore, in consideration to that, the Commission directs that application number 7 by Araira Laurabara Community Tatana Village, dated 30 September 2022, is now further adjourned to Thursday, the 13th of October 2022 at 10 a.m., again not for mention but for hearing. Dated the 6th day of October 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Commissioner, please, if you could have Mr. No excused.
Yes, thank you for your presence this morning. You can now be excused from the bar stand. Thank you. Yes, Council.
Commissioner, for the third item, I will leave it to my friend Mr. Kipa to deal with. That is the matter in which he has carriage.
Yes.
Thank you, Commissioner. Matter number 3 listed on today's list. Formally make mention of leave application number 8, filed by the Inehi Incorporated Land Group, registered ILG number 1153.
Yes, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. I spoke to the party representatives just before this morning's hearings. There is, I believe, one John Gorogo, who is the representative for the applicant party that is present this morning, amongst others. If I could invite him to attend at the bar table and enter his appearance. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Good morning, Your
Morning.
Honor. I'm John Gorogo.
John Gorogo.
John Gorogo,
Yes.
Dispute Settlement Authority for the ILG Group. Our consultant is at the moment in another court case, so I'd like to tell you on this note that there will be an adjournment, which I just had. So that's the point I just want to raise to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. That is the position. That was discussed, and also for reasons submitted earlier by my friend, Mr. Guerrero. I'd like to ask for directions for this matter to be adjourned to Thursday, the 13th of October, 2022 at 10 a.m. For hearing as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Council. I'm satisfied with that, given the reasons that have been submitted. And therefore, in consideration to that, The Commission directs that leave application number 8 by Inehi Incorporated Land Group dated 4th October 2022 is now further adjourned to Thursday, the 13th of October 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing, dated the 6th day of October 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner. Commissioner, those are all the matters listed for today. There being no other matters, I would like to ask the Commission for the proceedings to be adjourned to next week, Thursday, the 13th of October 2022 at 10 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your presence also this morning. You can now be excused from the Boston. Thank you. It will be a busy week next week. When we return back on Thursday, and I hope the landowner groups that you have now been adjourned to Thursday, come Thursday next week, or on the 13th of October, come prepared. I don't want to deal with issues that there is not enough preparation. I'm squeezing a lot of time in between, and therefore it is important. I have to stress it very clear. Preparation in coming to the inquiry is very important. That's about 95%. The other 5% is you do the talking. And therefore, I know that when you come by the 13th, we will deal with all those issues that have been raised as per your submission. And I know my councils will be working very hard on that. And also, you being represented by your councils also, you need to work hard to assist us in getting this thing through in light of the extended terms of reference as approved by the Prime Minister, who want your voice to be heard in this inquiry. Until we return back on the 13th, look after yourself, be in good health, and we can hear you when you come. So with that, Associate, you can now adjourn the hearing to the 13th, which is Thursday. Thank you.